Hey guys, I just spent some time recording about how to do this assignment. I apologize because I did speak a little fast through it, but I think that I just talk fast in general. So please feel free to pause the video as we go through the assignment. You will be doing it individually. However, this is a good reference piece or video for you if you are confused with any part of the assignment. As always, if you have any questions for me, just raise your hand if we're in class now or send me an email. I'll be more than happy to help you. Good luck. Bye. We should be on the slides presentation that looks like this. It'll say Google Classroom Scavenger Hunt. You're going to answer the following and follow the directions to ensure that you know how to use Google Classroom and all of its buttons and stuff. So, the first thing it says is directions. You will need to have two tabs open. This Google Slide, and Google Classroom. It will look like this. So, Google Classroom on one tab and this presentation on another. I have a wee video because I'm recording, do not worry about that. You're going to start on this page. It's called Stream. Stream up here, okay. When you know that you're at the right page, go to slide 3. Now you're going to find my first post on the stream. I have a screenshot for you here showing that it is from September 2nd. You're going to scroll down until you find my post from September 2nd. Once you have found it, please add a class comment underneath. So that means you would type in this box, class comment. That's just a sample. Did you save your comment? Oh no, I didn't. I have to click this arrow for it to post. I'm not doing that now because I'll confuse you guys. Find the classwork tab, okay? So that means you're gonna go to the top. These are tabs kind of like you would have in a binder. So you would click classwork, as it says, and then you know that you're in there because it should have a underlined visual like this. So you see a little underline, okay, we're in classwork. Our classwork page has 8 topics. I typed this before, so I'm gonna have to switch that. We have 8 topics. Our topics are over here. Please pick 5 and type them in the boxes below. This way I know that we're looking at the right section of the page and not somewhere else. Now you're gonna go to the scavenger hunt topic, which would be, you click scavenger hunt over here, and you see an assignment called Classroom Hunt. Mine is gray because it has not been scheduled yet for our activity, and definitely it should not be scheduled for PM, so I'll fix that. When you click it, you have a ton of questions in here. This will probably be a 2-part lesson where we'll start it one day and we finish it the next, just because this question answering may take a bit. So, sorry for that interruption. So you should be on here on your Google Classroom Scavenger Hunt doc and answering the questions. So the first question says, how did you get to your Google Classroom? Hopefully we know to click a new tab, the plus sign, click the little waffles button right here where it says Google Apps, and then it should say Classroom, okay? You can click that way and write that as your response, or you can type in classroom.google. What is the name of the tab that Google Classroom opens onto? So that means, what is this name? I just want you to copy and paste it into the document. What do you see on this page? Hint, you should have a few of these. So think class periods. When you look at this page, you should see squares for each classroom that you are signed up for. Where are 2 places you can find the due date for an assignment? So I'm not sure if this is initially what they mean, but we have a due date here, and then when we actually click the activity, we have a due date in the classwork tab. Then you go back to the Google Classroom document, and you're going to see in number 5 says, go to the classwork tab and find the assignment labeled Study Skills Resources. So when you go back to this tab, you click classwork, you see a tab that says Study Skills Resources. I have posted a new assignment that says Study Skills Resource question 5. So you're not going to do this until we're in class, which is why I put this little note there. But you're going to create a new Google Doc and answer the following questions in this doc. This way I know that you know how to attach a document to an assignment if I did not already provide one for you. When you are done, you want to make sure you click Turn It In. Once you've done that, you're going to leave a private comment on the assignment telling me your favorite TV show. Then you're going to click on the Stream tab, and you're going to scroll to the post that has the websites for tips for successful students. So I do not have this posted yet. Oh yes, I do. I lied. It is right here. It's right at the top. But I may post something tomorrow that will come up before it in the classwork stream or in the stream in general. So make sure you scroll and find it. Read all the tips and add a comment on the post with which habit you want to work on this semester. So you would click this site. You read it. Maybe you say you want to find a study group. You would put Find a Study Group here. Go to the Classwork tab. Click on the Google Calendar in the upper right. See Google Calendar here. What do you see in Calendar, and how can you use this tool to stay organized? Then you're going to go back to the Classwork tab and click Class Drive Folder. When you click that, answer where does this take you and what is in the folder. So mine takes me to this classroom, okay? Yours should be only yours though. Go to Google and search the phrase, how to turn a document into Google Classroom. So you're gonna click the plus button. I did Command V. And then, well, that's not. Okay, so I don't want the. You should see a link that says turn in an assignment from support.google.com. You're gonna click that. You're gonna add it to your favorites. You do this by clicking the little star there, okay? Then you're going to spend some time reading through any topics that you think you may need to know. List at least one topic that you read about. Then you're going to turn it into Google Classroom. Finally, you're going to come back to the slides. Did you answer all the questions? And then click Turn In. You're going to find the assignment called Study Skills Resource 1, How to Use Google Classroom, under the Resource tab. So that would be this one. I guess that's just accessing your activity. I'm sorry, I don't know why I got confused. Make sure you click Submit. And then that's it. This should be helping you to ensure that you are going to successfully learn this semester and whatever time we have to spend online.